Good evening, everyone. So this is the fourth part of your plant life chapter biology, and today in this session we will discuss about lenticels, respiration in plants, and we will also discuss about exchange of gases in plants. So let's begin the class. Now our first topic of discussion for today is lenticels. What are lenticels? Well, lenticels are tiny pores that are present on the roots and woody stems of trees. So lenticels are just like stomata, and these are tiny pores. These are tiny pores, or you can say holes, present on the roots and woody stems of trees. Okay, and the main function of lenticel is to allow gases to pass through it. Okay, so lenticel helps in the exchange of gases, and these gases are oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, just like stomata, lenticels also help in the exchange of gases. Okay, and it also helps in transpiration, the process of removal of excess water from the surface of plant body. Okay, so these are lenticels present on the roots and woody stems of trees. So lenticels are nothing but they are the tiny pores present on the roots and woody stems of trees. Okay, so our next topic is respiration in plants. You see, respiration process is same for all living things, that is plants, animals and human beings. So in this process, all living organisms break its complex food into simpler substances in the presence of oxygen to release energy and carbon dioxide. Okay, so during respiration in plant, complex food, that is glucose, is broken down into simpler substances in the presence of oxygen to release carbon dioxide, water and energy. Okay, and you don't get confused with respiration and photosynthesis in plant, because respiration and photosynthesis in plants are totally different from each other. You see, during photosynthesis, food is manufactured. Food is manufactured means food is prepared. Okay, this food means glucose. And the second difference is, during respiration, carbon dioxide, water and energy is released, whereas in photosynthesis, during photosynthesis, glucose C6H12O6, glucose, oxygen and water molecule are released. Okay, so they are totally different from each other. The end product of respiration are carbon dioxide, water and energy, whereas the end product of photosynthesis are glucose, oxygen and water molecule in plants. Okay, and during respiration, glucose is broken down into simpler substances, and during photosynthesis, food is prepared or manufactured. Okay, now our next topic is exchange of gases in plants, and here gases represent oxygen and carbon dioxide. So there are two modes for exchange of gases in plants, and these two modes are These two modes are number 1 stomata and number 2 lenticels. Where stomata are tiny openings present on the lower surface of leaves and in some green stems, and lenticels are also tiny pores that are present on the roots and woody stems of some trees. Okay, so both stomata and lenticels are tiny holes, or you can say pores. Okay, but stomata, they are present on the lower surface of leaves and in some green stems, whereas lenticels are present on the mature roots and woody stems of trees. Okay, so what are the two modes for exchange of gases in plants? The two modes are stomata and lenticels. Okay, now let's answer this question. What are lenticels? Well, lenticels are tiny pores present on the roots and woody stems of trees. Okay, and the function of lenticels is to allow gases to pass through them. So exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place through lenticels. Okay, then our next question is, name the two different modes for exchange of gases in plants. Well, the answer of this question will be, the two different modes for exchange of gases in plants are number 1 stomata and number 2 lenticels. Okay, now let's answer this multiple choice question, and it is on your page number 77. So your first question is, in which of the following cell organelles does photosynthesis occur? Options are mitochondria, chloroplast, chlorophyll, Golgi bodies. So the correct answer will be chloroplast. Then our next question is A2. How many guard cells are present in a stoma? So the correct answer will be 2. There are 2 guard cells present in a stoma. Then question number 3. Which sugar is produced during photosynthesis? Options are sucrose, lactose, glucose, fructose. So the correct answer is glucose. Okay. Then come to the next question. Which of the following forms of carbohydrate is broken down during respiration? So options are fructose, sucrose, glucose, lactose. So the correct answer will be glucose. Okay. Then our next question is, which of the following is a byproduct of anaerobic respiration? So the byproduct of anaerobic respiration will be ethyl alcohol, and its formula is C2H5OH. So this is the formula of ethyl alcohol, and it is produced during anaerobic respiration. Then come to 6. In which pair of cell organelle does cellular respiration take place? So here cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, chloroplast, mitochondria, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria. So see, these are all cell organelles that are present inside a cell, and the correct answer of this question will be number C, mitochondria and cytoplasm. Then number 7. In plants, the lenticels are found on number A, woody stems, mature roots, number B, underside of the leaf, number C, on surface of young green stems, number D, none of these. So the correct answer will be 7A, woody stems and mature roots. Okay. Now come to question number B. Fill in the blanks, and it is also on your page number 77. So question number 1, when light intensity decreases, rate of dash decreases. So it will be photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay. Then number 2, concentration of dash increases the rate of photosynthesis. The concentration of CO2, that is carbon dioxide. The concentration of carbon dioxide increases the rate of photosynthesis. But always remember that excess amount of carbon dioxide decreases the rate of photosynthesis. Number 3, dash element is involved in opening and closing of stomata. So it will be guard cell. Guard cells. Okay. Then number 4, this C6H12O6, that is glucose plus dash equals to C, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. So this is the chemical equation of aerobic respiration. So here we should write 6O2. Okay. Then number 5, there are tiny openings present on the mature roots and woody stems of some trees. So it will be lenticels. Then come to question number C. Write true or false for the following sentences. C1, carbon dioxide and water are the byproducts of photosynthesis. Byproduct means end products. So the end products of photosynthesis are what? Glucose and oxygen, isn't it? But here carbon dioxide and water are given, so it is wrong. The rate of photosynthesis is low at high temperature. The correct. Number 3, aerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. So it is false, because aerobic respiration takes place in the presence, not absence, presence of oxygen. Okay. Number 4, incomplete oxidation of food takes place in anaerobic respiration. Correct. Due to absence of oxygen, there is incomplete oxidation of food in anaerobic respiration. Okay. Then come to question number 5, C5. Respiration occurs during daytime and night. Correct. It is correct. Respiration occurs during daytime and night. So it occurs all the time, but photosynthesis occurs only during daytime. But respiration takes place 24 hours. Okay. Now come to question number D. It is on your page number 78. Give one word for the following. Question number 1. Green colored pigment present in the chloroplast of the leaf cell is called what? Is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Okay. Then next question is process in which carbon dioxide enters the leaf and oxygen is released to the outer atmosphere. So this is photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is taken in and oxygen is released. So answer will be photosynthesis. Number 3, optimum temperature for photosynthesis. Here optimum means best temperature. So it will be 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Is the optimum temperature for photosynthesis. Number 4, process of releasing energy by breaking down of food for life activities. So it will be respiration. Respiration. Then next question is process of breathing in. Name the process of breathing in oxygen. So it will be what? Inhalation. Inhalation is the process of taking in oxygen. Okay? And the process of breathing out. The process of releasing carbon dioxide. So it will be exhalation. 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 Okay? Then question number 7. Time during which stomata are open. Daytime. Answer will be daytime. Examples of fruits with lenticels on them. So there are many examples. You can, so we will write 2. Apple, apple, mango, etc. Okay. Now question number 9. Structures found in the leaves through which carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. It will be stomata. Okay. Next question number 10. Which gas which turns lime water milky? It will be carbon dioxide.